Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, your United States authorized warranty and service center for the Enbio S. Today we are going to be removing the door from the Enbio S. For this you will need a Torx T10 bit. First thing we're going to do is open the drawer, lift up on the tray, and just slide that back into the chamber. Once that is slid back, you will notice there's 2 screws on either side. We're just going to remove those. Once that is removed, you can slide these back in. That is how you remove your door from the Enbio S. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650. Option 3 for tech support. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.